Got these two in. Let's see what's going on with these. He said they won't go above an idle. Good and fouled. Too much oil in the system. For anybody that wonders what the difference in holding a throttle wide open versus not, we're not going for an exact number. We're going for the motor's any good. Throttle wide open, 150. Throttle closed, same. Generally the difference is you can gain a couple of pounds, but by doing compression, we know this motor is supposed to be right around 150. So if it's 150 with the throttle closed, opening adds a couple more pounds, so what? Pulled this off, plug wire came out, was loose. That can cause a misfire. You can lose fire on one cylinder if the gap's too big. Cut a little bit back. Generally fold this over. Check spark. Spark looks good. That one popped off real easy. Go back. Fold over. Gotta make sure it makes contact. This guy just replaced the stator. So we're going to check timing just to be safe. The way I'm going to do that is off the PTO. Alright, we're going to put number one piston, top dead center, roll the motor over by hand until you know you're at top dead center. Since we're at top dead center, I'm going to make a line directly over the drive shaft. To identify it. We'll roll it over, put number two at top dead center. Now we're going to put a timing light on it. Alright, I got the timing light set up, so we're going to go to the number one plug. It's going to ground it to this bolt. See if we get a light. And we do. Alright. Timing's where it's supposed to be. Jet ski's still bogging. Good compression, good spark. Now, carburetors. Usually it's a bad idea to have these junk filters on here, like your lawnmower style. They're not worth a damn. Someone's been in it, they put aftermarket kits on here, so I bet we're gonna see problems out of this. While we're in here, we'll check the reeds. He didn't say it was backfiring, but it's always a good idea to take a peek. It's running pre-mix, so the oiler's blocked off. Guarantee the pop-off's gonna be through the roof. Hell, it's hard to push down with my finger. Guarantee it. So we'll see what our pop-off's at. And that's exactly what it is. £55. Let's do it again. £65. Pulled up the specs. Pop-off's supposed to be right 23 max, 25. Be pushing it. And we're over 55 pounds. So what's going on with that? Okay, well, that means the fuel pump has to build over 50 pounds of pressure before it will pop the needle valve and dump fuel in this area of the carburetor. Which means the low-speed jet will continuously work, and when he stabs the throttle, there's not enough fuel pressure to open the needle to go on the high-speed circuits.